Wow, you're holding that knife really weirdly. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, wait, you hold this. I just thought about it and I realized that that doesn't make any sense.
I know.
Because I'm gonna have to do it anyway.
No, you look good.
Wow. I gotta keep more clothes here because I don't have space. This might be supposed to be for snow globe.
For snow cones?
Oh, this is for snow globe, which means this is for YouTube. Okay.
Should I turn the dryer off? I don't know how loud it is.
Probably loud. This is a skirt.
Ooh, that's a nice
Wait,
skirt.
this is perfect. I can show it right now and then I don't have to do it later.
Yeah, you can wear that later.
What's with you in skirts, bro? Okay, 1 second. The box will almost be empty for you.
Is that what she wants?
She wants the box.
She's like, oh man, that's a nice box.
Ooh, you don't like this.
Ooh.
Bam. Ooh, this is fucking latex as shit.
Can I cut a hole in it?
Wow, I feel a little too tall for this. This might not cover my ass at all.
It's kind of hot.
Sorry, I'm filming this clip on a different day and I'm like in a really sad mood right now, so like, sorry. This looks like the dude from Monsters Inc. Or a Muppet. Okay.
Like a pink Big Bird. It's Big Bird.
No, it's purple, it's lilac.
Purple. I'm colorblind.
I thought colorblind only affected like blue, green.
I don't know, it looked pink to me. Now it looks purple. Now you said purple.
Well, this is pink, so does that hold?
That looks pink. But if that wasn't near it, it might look more purple. I don't know.
Box is. This is New Year's Eve.
Yeah, it said New Year's on the card. There's something, didn't it? It says Happy Holidays. Whatever, I was close.
But we're gonna be in Vegas potentially.
When?
New Year's?
No, not Vegas.
I mean, not Vegas.
I don't know. I still haven't heard back.
Oh, I said Vegas because I wanted to go to Vegas.
I don't think they're gonna do it. I think they're gonna turn me down.
You don't think they're gonna turn? Ooh, this is two-piece.
No, because I haven't heard back yet.
Don't say, oh, this is not gonna fit me. We're gonna need to do some alterations. I don't look good in red, but you know what? Does this look red to you?
Yeah.
This looks like it'll scratch you when I rub up against you.
Yeah.
Which I like. Looks like a literal, do you remember those toys, Poppins? Popples. It was a show, but it was
Sounds familiar.
It was from the 80s.
Popples.
I only knew what they were because my sisters, but they were like these weird furry animals.
Inside this software ball is a neat new friend, see? Pop goes the Popple. Pop goes the Popple,
Pop goes the Popple. These look fucking comfy, whatever they are. Oh shit, look at that shit. Oh wait.
Stop, Pope. Stop. Hey, Pope.
Bug.
I'm gonna shred the shit out of my couch.
Velvet on the back, some other material on. Ooh, they're fucking soft, feel that. These are like so ugly that I love them.
Very soft.
Oh, there's 2 pieces. Oh shit, weather confused.
I like that. You can wear that to the pool.
I don't think it's waterproof.
I don't think that's the right way.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is?
This goes behind me though.
Are you sure? No.
This goes behind me.
No, that's gotta be the top. It's super wrong. No.
How is that wrong?
That's the top. That's gotta be the top.
That won't fit though.
Try it. That's right.
How is that right?
Oh.
You can't tighten this.
I
think it might be a me problem for some reason.
Yeah, that's a you. That's telling you because the cord normally goes through there, right? Like that.
Oh, was it not like that before?
Oh,
I couldn't really see.
Yeah, you had it like all weird.
So, yet another example. There must be something like weird wrong with me. You know?
Like your brain.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, snap,
what
son.
The fuck, dog?
Get some.
I'm gonna make you wear these.
I'll wear them.
from lingerie. I picked this out because I was like, oh,
It's
my
pronounced
lingerie is in storage.
lingerie.
Huh?
It's pronounced lingerie.
All mine is in storage, so I was like, oh no, I gotta have something.
Oh, you got it from me.
I got it for me, boy.
Ooh.
Who am I thinking I look good in red? Oh shit, you can literally fucking snap my butt.
Ooh.
Okay, cool. I dig this. I dig this. You like it?
I like it.
I think I'll look better than her.
I don't know. That's a tough call. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Hey, I need that. Why are you screaming at me? She only makes these sounds when she's like stressed. I don't know why she's stressed. Did she see Pumpkin recently?
I mean, Pumpkin walks through. Pumpkin doesn't give her any shit.
Oh, cool. His pants and the top. I feel like I always pick the weirdest stuff from them because I know I wouldn't buy it. But then it always ends up coming in handy.
I get that.
You get that?
I get
I
that.
got a lot of like fuzzy shit. Like. And also a lot of red. I think because it's supposed to be a holiday video, but like I look awful in red.
Oh, you look good in red.
Have you ever seen me with that?
On videos.
What do we have here? Whoa. Is this a romper? Oh, it's a romper, which means it's not gonna fit me.
Oh.
Because I got a long body. Whoa, whose fucking butt is gonna fit in that? Not this bitch's. That's not a lot of space for butt. But it's cute. What you think about rompers?
They're alright
My
sometimes.
thoughts on rompers are that
Hard to get all up in there.
it's not hard, you just go through here. Like when you... What? Well,
I go
know,
through there?
I know that because what I was about to say...
Like with my hand or like with my...
With whatever. Because what I was about to say is that, like, I always would find myself wearing a romper, like, at a bar. When you're drinking and you have to pee really bad when you're wearing a romper, it's, like, the worst thing ever. So you just gotta pull that shit to the side. Sometimes you pee on the floor of the bar. Sometimes you pee on your romper. Like, you go right back out there.
Yeah.
You act like you didn't just pee on your romper.
Beautiful. And that's it.
That's probably the end of this video because I have to film trying it on later.
Yay.
Whoa, what you doing?
Done. I was gonna hit the button.
Ah! Hey, you want some snacks? I'm just kidding. It's poison. Please don't record that.